Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel sheer kurma. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 2 liters of rich, full-fat milk, which is crucial for a creamy texture. We'll also use about 150 grams of fine vermicelli and 150 grams of sugar. Don't forget a good assortment of dry fruits like almonds, cashews, and pistachios to add that delightful crunch and flavor. Next, we'll prepare our dry fruits and vermicelli. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and lightly sauté your chosen dry fruits, like almonds, cashews, and pistachios, until fragrant. Then, in the same pan, roast about 150 grams of fine vermicelli until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Remember to soak 30 grams of dry dates and 20 grams of raisins beforehand to soften them. Now for the star of our dish, the caramel milk base. In a separate pan, melt 150 grams of sugar over low heat until it transforms into a smooth, golden caramel. Be patient, as this takes a few minutes. Once melted, slowly pour in 2 liters of full-fat milk, stirring constantly until the caramel completely dissolves. Let this rich mixture simmer for about 10 minutes to deepen the flavors. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your roasted vermicelli and all the prepared dry fruits to the simmering caramel milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of aromatic cardamom powder and a few strands of saffron for an exquisite fragrance. Continue to cook for another 10 minutes, or until the vermicelli is perfectly tender and the sheer kurma thickens to your liking. Serve it warm or chilled for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.